क्या आप लोगों को पता है कि दुनिया में मोस्ट बिलियनियर पीपल दैट हाउ दे स्पेंड देयर लाइफ कि वो अपनी जिंदगी कैसे गुजारते हैं इवन दो वी स्पेंड अवर डे बट वी डोंट डू द वर्क दैट व्हिच वी वांट टू डू एज कंपेयर टू देयर उन्हों के पास भी 24 आवर्स हैं और हमारे पास भी 24 आवर्स हैं लाइक इलोन मस्क हैज इंटरव्यूड दैट आई वर्क 18 आवर्स इन अ डे 18 hours in a day. That means he is so productive. He don't think that I mean that motivation comes when I will start. कि motivation मुझे आए तो फिर मैं start करूंगा. Otherwise I will not start. ये जो बंदा है 18 घंटे काम करता है दिन में. हालांकि हमारे पास भी 24 आवर्स है, उसके पास भी 24 आवर्स है, लेकिन हम वो काम नहीं करते. I mean हम जो लोग हैं एक आवर जो 1 घंटा है ना उसमें भी हम ठीक से कोई काम नहीं करते. इवन वी आर डिस्ट्रैक्ट ourselves from everything whatever we are doing, whatever is we are what to do. That means we have become a distracted person in our life. And in this video, I will show you the 3 tips and tricks that which you will use in your life that it will completely change your life. Whether you are a student, whether you are a college student, whether you are any student, just if you follow these 3 steps in your life, that means you will let you know about yourself what you really want to do. तो सबसे पहले जो है एक स्किल नो योर वाई, मतलब अपने क्यों और क्या को जानो. मैं ये काम क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों कर रहा हूँ, और मैं अगर ये कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे क्या फायदा मिल रहा है, अगर मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ और मुझे क्या फायदा है. अगर आपका ये वाई क्लियर होगा ना तो फिर आपका जो पर्पस है वो आपको मिल जाएगा कि मैं ये क्या करना चाहता हूँ और क्यों करना चाहता हूँ. दैट मीन इफ व्हेन यू विल नो योर व्हाट एंड नाउ व्हाई, दैट मीन यू विल completely understand the things that which you want to do in your life. As I'm recording video because I know my why, that's why I'm recording this video. And if you don't know about your why, then how you will. Even that means if we want to do something, if we don't know why we are doing that, what is the message, what is the benefit of doing that work. If someone is talking to you and you are talking also with him, and you are talking, that means you must know about your why. When your why will be clarified, your life will become really purposeless. That means you will have purpose, you will have everything that you want to do in your life, and you want to spend as you want to do in your life and on the stage that which you want to preach. And after that, the second option is that the making of this video, that is how to feel productive so that we can become really productive in our life. हालांकि बहुत से लोग होते हैं हमारी तरह, उनके पास भी 24 आवर्स होते हैं, हमारे पास भी 24 आवर्स होते हैं, लेकिन वो प्रोडक्टिव इतने प्रोडक्टिव होते हैं कि हम कभी भी नहीं हो सकते, क्योंकि वो पता नहीं क्या करते जो हम नहीं हो सकते. क्यों भाई, हम क्यों नहीं हो सकते? हमें भी उनके पास भी 24 आवर्स है, हमारे पास भी 24 आवर्स है, उन्हीं के पास भी हम सारा दिन है और उनके पास भी सारा दिन है. But they know better their day, that how they will have to spend their day, and that's the main thing that you supposed to know. The second option, that is you are only depend on your motivation. Like motivation means that you are doing the work as you think or listen of motivated video. That means this is not your life. If you will depend only on motivation, when it will come and when it will go, and when it will come you will start working, and when it will go you will just leave the work. That's not the motivation. That's not you're supposed to depend on motivation, because motivation will kill your consistency, will kill your discipline, will kill your focus. And if you think that motivation is the best thing, that you can just research about the things that which you are doing and you are going to start, so you just know about that thing, that if I'm doing this, who have become this successful in this stage as I am doing now, as I am starting now. And that means you are taking information about that thing. You don't need to first that is depend on motivation, because whatever you are doing, just make consistency, discipline and focus. And if you want to know that consistency and discipline, how you can make the unbreakable discipline and consistency in your life, so you can comment in this video, and I will make the most important and daily practical life most tips and tricks that which will be most important to know, to use it in your consistency and in your day, so that you become a consistent person in every work. And the third and last state that is विल पावर. ये विल पावर अभी बहुत से लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रही. क्यों? क्योंकि विल पावर एक ऐसी चीज है, लाइक लेट्स सपोज नाउ माय मूड इज गुड एंड नाउ आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग विद दिस वीडियो. दैट मीन्स आई डिपेंड ऑन माय मूड. That is the willpower. I depend on my mood, but you don't need to depend on your mood. Whether I will be better, okay, or not, good or not, just I will have to make the video as I wanted to make. When you will know about the willpower, that means it is really important for you, because willpower teach us, हमें सिखाती है कि हम कैसे अपने मूड को एक साइड पे रख कर हम अपना जो काम करना चाहते हैं वो करें. एक मूड अच्छा है करेंगे, मूड बुरा है फिर भी करेंगे, क्योंकि करना है. मूड अच्छा हो या बुरा हो या वो जैसा भी मूड हो, you have to do your work if you want to change your life, because now this is a life and I think that this is a really most important life that which you can become yourself a successful person in every field. Just choose one skill or anything, just start doing, because in this generation that most of people have distracted, like making friendship peoples with like girlfriend, like any other things. They are just doing the best really bad thing that which you ever never think. And if you want to change your life, this is the only thing that you can only do in your life, because and if you don't do, and it all depend on yourself. And if you want to know, and if you like, if you help this video, so you must you can like the video. Otherwise it's your option, and I don't really force you. Just my purpose is to make a really good content, so that what